What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick video, I'll show you how to build a lean-to. This is a simple respawn point, and of course you can sleep through the night here. If we hit B, you can see that we've got the lean-to unlocked up here, and we'll need some clover leaf and sprigs. These are super easy to get. You'll find these plants lying around the place. These are sprigs, grab a few of these, and of course, clover leaves are these over here. These are much bigger, thinner, blades of grass looking things that you'll need to cut down using your Omni tool. Once you chop down a clover, the leaves will fall, and of course you can pick up 3 of them. With these, you should be able to put down a lean-to pretty much anywhere. Now, there's only one small issue with this, is that when you put it down, you'll see that when you run up to build it, super build and build are both hidden. There's only a specific spot where you can build this from, and that's the backside over here. I'll super build it, and just like that, we've now got a place where we can sleep and of course respawn. That's it. Hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.